Hello friends, hola amigos. Today we're gonna keep learning about sign language. Ahora vamos a seguir aprendiendo lenguaje a señas, ¿ok? La primera que vamos a aprender es ir al baño. The first one is potty. I need to go potty. We go like this. 2 hands, one in the middle, and shake it a little bit. Potty, I need to go potty. Say, potty, I need to go potty, potty. Potty, ocupo ir al baño. Al baño, por favor. Al baño. Oh, diaper change. Yes, I need to go potty. Un cambio de pañal, por favor. Good job. The next one we are going to learn is sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. We put our hand over our forehead and down. We sweep it down. Sleep. Go to sleep. Okay, we can close our eyes. Sleep. Sleep. A dormir, baby. A dormir. Yay. Sleep, baby. Sleep. Buen trabajo. Now the next one is awake or despierta. Wake up. Wake up. For that, we put our fingers like this and we put it right next to our eyes and we go, wake up. Wake up. Despierta, baby. Despierta. Awake. Awake. Awake, baby. Despierta. Yay. Good job. The next one that we're going to learn is cracker. La siguiente que nos vamos a aprender es una galleta. Cuando los bebés quieren un snack, quieren comer. Okay, pueden decir cracker. Babies love crackers, don't you, baby? Para decir galleta, or to say cracker, we put our arm like this and we touch our elbow. Like this, cracker, cracker, like you're cracking something. Cracker, galleta, galleta, cracker.
Yummy.
Cracker, please. Cracker, please. Para comer. To
Yummy.
eat. Yes, cracker. Now you try it. Good job. Buen trabajo. Okay. Ahora vamos a aprender cómo pedir agua. We're going to learn how to ask for water. We put our 3 fingers up, like this, like making a W. 3 dedos, como haciendo una W. Water. And we point to our mouth or chin. And we go, water, water. Yep. Water, water. Agua. Agua. Please, water. Yeah, probably after eating our crackers, we want some water. Water. Please, agua. Por favor. Yay, buen trabajo. La siguiente que vamos a aprender es baby, the word baby in sign language. Vamos a aprender cómo decir bebé en lenguaje a señas. And that is really easy. Es muy fácil. We're going to pretend we're holding a baby. Vamos a pretender we're holding a baby. Like this. Baby, baby. Bebé, bebé. Pretendemos que estamos cargando a un bebé. Decimos bebé. Bebé, bebé. Yeah, it's so easy. Good job, guys. ¿Alguien más quiere intentarlo? Baby. It's like you're holding a baby. You go, baby, bebé, bebé. Like you're holding the baby. Como que estás cargando un bebé. Yeah, good job, Mimi. Buen trabajo, Mimi. Okay, everyone, I hope you learned a lot more words today in sign language.
Yes.
Espero que todos hayan aprendido mucho más en lenguaje de señas. Gracias a todos. Thank you for being with us and we'll see you next time. Nos vemos a la próxima. Bye bye, amigos.